This is called an ultrasonic machine, cleaning assembly line. Basically, it starts out over here and it goes into, this is a pre-wash tank here that rinses off the gross contaminant. Then it goes over to here, and this is actually what's the actual ultrasonic machine. This is the control system for that. It's basically a rheostat system. You can set it from 1 to 1,000 depending on the fragility of the items that you're trying to clean, and depending on the contamination on the items that you're trying to clean. So it's a balance of, you know, how fragile is the item and how dirty is the item, how you adjust this. So after it comes out of here, it goes over to here, and this is just your rinse station. You rinse it all off, and then it goes into here, which is it's a heated drying system. And basically you've got 4 people running this at one time, you know, one at each station. And as it comes out here, you've got 2 people boxing the contents. And the beauty of this is it can generally clean a 2,500 square foot house of, you know, dishes, knickknacks, and things of that nature in about 6 hours. So it's very quick, it's very efficient, and the greatest thing about it is it's very friendly to the insured's content. It's a very safe, very green method that we use to clean Mrs. or Mrs. Insured's dishes, knickknacks, family heirlooms, and things like that. Basically what this is if you've ever taken any jewelry to a jewelry store and had it cleaned, the little dip tank they put it in, that's what this is. It's just a much bigger operation.